Hi, my name is Faith. Can't even pronounce my name, so what? I've spent the entire 29 plus years of my life trying to pronounce Faith with the TH correctly. But I can't. But who cares? Not me. I do actually. Make the biggest mess, by the way, every time I have to do my makeup. Well, good luck to me because I just found out that because I was playing love, I gave my man's my moisturizer, which I use as a base for my makeup. You can tell this is my favorite part of my makeup routine. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. Alexa, stop. Alexa is always interrupting, by the way. I'm using this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick, which I'm using it for the first time. I have to finish this look to tell you how I feel about it, but it's not too bad. It's easily blendable, by the way. Don't ask me what I did with my hair. I'm always so funny when it comes to my hair. Don't ask me what my lashes are doing on my charger head. I just get back home and I take off my lashes and put it anywhere I can find. So lately, my charger head has been suffering for it, but yeah, don't ask me why it's there. But yeah, let's fix my lashes now. Recently, I've struggled so much with my lashes. I've had to change lashes brand. I've had to change eye glue brand, but I'm still kind of like struggling. I think this is the best I've gotten in recent times. But girls, I need you to share some of your own hinged or secret tips to getting the best eyelash outcome. Okay? I'll be reading in comment section. By the way, I just have to add some orange blush to my look because I'm such an orange blush girly. Like I literally cannot go out without my orange blush. I'm sorry. Like I tried pink, but pink is not given. It's not given. So we need to add a little bit of orange. In fact, more orange if you ask me. Yeah. More orange. Ooh, look at that. I just feel powerful every time I wear orange blush. Like it's just it. Some lip gloss because I'm a lip gloss babe as well. Perfect. Like it's given. It's simple. It's chic. It's class. It's me. This is what happens when you've spent the whole time just faffing around doing your makeup and then last minute you have to rush out. You have to rush. See, my Binike accent will always show itself. Oh, Dudu, leave me alone. I'm obsessed with my face. I'm obsessed with myself. I'm obsessed with my life. God just made me so perfect. Like, God was trying to show off when He created me, and I'm not even joking. Yeah? Just look at this beauty. Like, if I'm not obsessed with me, who's gonna be obsessed with me? Who? Now, let's wear my favorite jewelry from my favorite brand, Sam Ritchie. That was too much. I always do too much. I always do too much. Actually, in the words of Diana Eneje, am I doing too much or you're doing too little? Okay, I need to be serious. Hand cream, but I've rubbed it on my arm. Make it make sense. Okay. And of course, I'm a Charlotte Tilbury girl because what's your makeup slay without a Charlotte Tilbury? Not on my watch. And last but not the least, the star of the show. I don't know why it took me so long to get on this girly, but this, she's definitely a show stealer. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. If you want your makeup lasting all day, this is your go-to. And this is even a free ad. Like, I'm not even paid to do this. I wish I was, but this is your go-to girl if you want your makeup to stay on all day. Especially if you're like me and you sweat a lot and your makeup is constantly breaking. This is your go-to girl. If you're not coughing, then you've not applied it correctly. Like, who they check on? I don't have to be Raz. Who is checking it? Okay. Ooh, perfumes. None of that silver versus gold matching nonsense like silver, gold. Over here, we break rules like we break rules. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to match a silver jewelry with a gold jewelry because I can. Do it in. Blame it on UK's bipolar weather. So let's wear some jackets.